Cellular Repair School is transitioning right now into a entity that is an empowerment entity where we go, this is the opportunity, right? More so than anything else. This is the opportunity. There's three things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna introduce you, I'm gonna make you aware of the opportunity. I am going to, if you choose to, I will educate you on the opportunity. If you choose to, I will teach you how to do the opportunity. And if you choose to, I will give you the resources to have the result of the opportunity. That's who we are. That's what we have become. And so for us, then it just becomes what those opportunities are. Does that make sense? And so what we're going to always do is share that with you guys. And so you'll know even when you leave today and we have a new opportunity or a new product or service or whatever it is, right? You'll know what it is. We'll explain it to you. We'll say, hey, this is what the opportunity, the result can be for you. And then you guys choose whether you want to implement it into your organization or not. And so we give you that space to make that margin. We don't try to. Well, I've seen it so many times. Companies don't allow their partners to make money, and it just doesn't work. Like if you don't let your partners make money, it's not a good relationship, right? And so you got to let people make money. If they're making money, they're happy. They'll continue to work with you, right? If you try to squeeze every dollar out of them and have them work, they're not going to be motivated to work with you. So it's all about that motivation to work with you. So that's what that is. That's one example of. That's another example of the opportunities that we'll be presenting to you guys in the near future, on top of just this right here that we currently do. So growth. So think growth, because that's what we want. Going 2018 going forward, we're thinking growth. And you have to think that because, again, it goes back to what I was saying. The market, in every market, and you guys see it. I don't care what market you're in. You can be in mobility, you can be in you can be in eating, restaurant, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is getting harder to make money. It's getting harder. And that's because we are such a surface country in regards to skill set, right? Our education does not, and I'm getting on my soapbox right now, but, and this is my teaching, right? But we are so shallow in how we educate our society. And what happens is the technology expands, but the people don't. Understand what I'm saying? So what's happening is the technology is giving you more access to the information, but if you don't have the skill set in order to apply the information, then you're no better than the next guy. The differentiation is not there, right? It used to be, yeah, I would hire guys who were straight out of college with a degree, right? But now that doesn't make so much sense, because a guy can have access to more information than he got in college. So I could actually hire a guy that didn't go to college but got certified, and he could actually hit the ground running, whereas all he got is an achievement. And he's no better. I'm overpaying him for this guy. Yeah. You see what I'm saying? That's where we are. Totally agree. So it's getting harder, right? It's getting harder to justify value, because the people who have the resources and are spending the money to employ it are seeing things differently, because the technology is elevating the people who were once the have-nots. So the have-nots are now being elevated because of the access to the information.